A curator at Amsterdam's landmark Rijksmuseum has discovered more or less by accident that a dog in Rembrandt van Rijn's famous Night Watch is a near-identical copy of a 1619 drawing by fellow Dutch artist Adriaen van de Venne. Anne Lenders, a curator at the Rijksmuseum in southern Netherlands, said Tuesday that she found the barking dog in the painting to be a strong resemblance to one that features in a 1619 pen and ink sketch by van de Venne. She was visiting an exhibition when her eye fell on a picture of a dog by van de Venne that was printed in a book by poet Jacob Cats. The original drawing, which was also on display at the Rijksmuseum, turned out to be part of the museum's vast collection. It wasn't looking for this, Lenders said, but it was unexpected. The comparison of van de Venne's and Rembrandt's dogs, particularly their head angle, posture, and collar design, revealed striking similarities. The head turns in the same angle with the mouth slightly open, she noted. Both dogs had long hair and ears hanging vertically. This revelation marks a recent phase of a years-long project to re-examine the 379.5 times by 453.5 centimeters canvas using modern techniques, known as Operation Night Watch. The museum began its work in 2019 with extensive study and continues through restoration, which could take years to complete. One tends to think, well, it's been researched so well, we know everything about it, director Taco Dibbets said. However, the Rijksmuseum couldn't determine exactly what breed the dog was, with experts divided between French and Dutch breeds. Most likely, both artists used poetic license to depict the scene. We will never have a conclusion on which breed it is, Dibbets emphasized, but it's definitely very much loved.